Moments in Jamaica's history from the RG Archives. Let's take a journey to August 25, 2004. Veronica Campbell won gold in the women's 100-meter finals at the Athens Olympics. On August 26, 2004, Danny McFarlane claimed the silver medal in the 400-meter hurdles event. Then a day later, the women's 4x100 team, which included Aileen Bailey, Veronica Campbell, Tanya Lawrence, Sharon Simpson, and Beverly McDonald, who ran in the heats, won Jamaica's second gold medal at the 2004.
First time in the history of the Olympic Games that the English-speaking Caribbean has won more than 2 gold medals.
For more information on the RG Archives, email rgarchives@rgrgleanergroup.com or call 733-2404 or 932-6231.